This video will demonstrate how to set up analysis methods for total and dissolved metals in the FUDSChem eQAPP so that the analyses are displayed as separate lines in the chain of custody, COC, and bottle label reports. To do this, we will create two separate method lists in the eQAPP. Go to Tools, Data eQAPP Setup. We already set up our first method for metals, method SW6020B. We have updated the method in each of the eQAPP tabs to meet project requirements. Only the aqueous matrix is needed, so we removed the solid matrix under the Matrix tab. We also updated the prep method to total in the Sample Prep tab. For information on filling out the eQAPP tabs, please refer to our eQAPP tutorials playlist, linked in the description. Now that we have our total method set up correctly, our next step is to copy this existing method to create our dissolved method. Before copying the method, it's recommended to run the screening checks to help pinpoint any data entry errors that might otherwise be propagated. We've already screened this method, and no, there are no errors. Go to the Copy eQAPP tab. Change the source database to USACE Training Database. Our current project will now appear as the test method source. Select method SW6020B and move it to our destination test methods. Next, in the Methods tab, filter on 6020B analysis method. For the copied method, change the list letter to B and update the list name to ICP-MS Metals Dissolved. In the Matrix tab, filter on method 6020B. If we would like to see filtered on our bottle label, we would update information on this tab. For list B, we will edit the preservation to add filter on site before nitric acid. Click Save Changes. Next, on the Sample Prep tab, we will once again filter our list down to 6020B. We will update the prep method for list B to field filtered, or FLDFLT. Click Save Changes. Once all methods are set up and considered complete, the eQAPP would go through the approval process. However, we will skip these steps. For more information, please refer to our eQAPP review tutorial, linked in the description. Before we can generate COCs and bottle labels, the next steps in FUDSChem are setting up event management and entering ChemField data. We have already completed these steps, and will show you the reports. For more information on event management and ChemField entry, please refer to the Event Management and Field Data ChemField Tutorials playlist, linked in the description. Go to Reports, Chemistry Reports, Bottle Labels 1 inch by 3 inches. Choose the project, event, and chain of custody. Click View Report. After zooming in, we are able to see the separate labels for the total and dissolved metals. Additionally, we're able to see our Filter on Site comment. Close out of this report and go back to Reports, Chemistry Reports. Open the Chain of Custody report. Choose the project, event, and chain of custody. Click View Report. The total metals method is listed separately from the dissolved metals in the comments section, the container preservation section, and in the analytical test methods. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.